Hello and welcome back to Standard Scholars. In this video, we are going to look at motion in a straight line in physics. We are going to study velocity time graphs and position or distance time graphs. This question is taken from a textbook called ABC of Physics by Satish K. Gupta. It is very nice and comprehensive textbook for class 11 or for A levels. Also very useful for O levels as I am starting from basics. In this velocity time graph of a body moving along a straight line, we need to find displacement of a body in 10 seconds. Displacement is a vector quantity, and that is a very important thing to note. Therefore, it has magnitude and direction as well. Now, area under the graph is equal to displacement. We can see we need to find this area over here, and then we need to find area over here in this graph, and we need to find area of this as well. If you come to see, it is area 1, area 2 and area 3. Now remember, displacement has got direction as well. Over here, the body is moving in opposite direction. In area number 2, is moving in opposite direction. Okay, so let's find first the area of this square ABC and origin 0. And area is going to be time over here. The base of this triangle is 2 multiplied by over here, which is 2 and 4, which is equal to 8. And this is the area for region 1. Now, let us look at the area of the second part over here, which is where the object is moving in opposite direction. We have the height of this rectangle, which is minus 2. It's very important to take this as minus 2 multiplied by the base of this rectangle, and the base is 2 over here, 2 over here and 2. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6, which is equal to minus 12. I'll explain to you later how this minus 12 affects the total displacement. And area of part 3 over here, we got the base of this rectangle as 2, 10 minus 2, which is 2, multiplied by the height. Height is 6, over here is 6, over here is 0, so its magnitude is 6. And we get 12. And this is the area of 3. Now remember, displacement is equal to area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. Now we got area 1 is equal to 8 plus, I'm going to put this minus 12 because you are moving in opposite direction. Okay, this is opposite direction. That's why it's negative. Plus 12. Hence, we get answer is equal to 8 meters. because minus 12 and plus 12 will cancel out. I can explain to you this further. Then you got point A and you have point B. Now you walking from point A to point B first, which is 5 meters, and then you walk 3 meters back this direction. So what is the total displacement? This is we call point C. Of point A to point C, the total displacement will be what? 5 meters minus 3 meters, which is equal to 2, because 3 meters you walk opposite direction. That is the displacement. Is very important. Total distance covered in this case, in this example, is equal to what? Distance is what? Total 5 and plus 3. So distance is 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Over here, we are looking at displacement. Hence, the total displacement of a journey of this body moving in a straight line is 8 meters. I hope we have understood this difference between distance and displacement. And remember, you can always rewatch this video few times, and doing some of the practice problems will help you all sink in as always. Thank you for watching Standout Scholars, and see you next time. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and click on bell notification icon for some useful educational and related stuff from Standout Scholars. Thank you.